Good evening and happy Friday. I'm Krista Kirkjian in the First Alert Weather Center. Here's a look at our future track radar. Today is the calm before the storm, a nice break between systems because I am tracking some pretty significant changes as we approach your weekend. So here's a look. Most of today will be dry. We are expecting some cloud cover to move in by tomorrow morning, blanketing most of the region. Then we have some prefrontal showers expected to move in by Saturday afternoon. At first, it will be light for most of the day on Saturday, but pretty widespread. Things change pretty significantly by the time we approach early Sunday morning. This is when we are expecting the heavier rainfall to move into the area. So by 6:30 a.m., we start to see some moderate to heavy bands of moisture move over the area. And by about the afternoon hours, it really just sits over the area for several hours. This is why we are concerned about flooding, because we are expecting this storm system. It's not only very significant and powerful, but it is going to sit over the region for several hours, bringing us a lot of rainfall. So here's a look at our future track rainfall totals. National Weather Service says between 3 and up to 6 inches of rain expected here locally. So this model is a little bit on the conservative side, but I am expecting Santa Barbara to potentially get up to 6 inches of rain. And take a look at Ojai, 9 inches possible. So we have a flood watch that has been issued ahead of the storm. I wouldn't be surprised if we have some flash flood warnings pop up because of what we are expecting. This blankets most of the region for all 3 counties in the area. We're expecting flooding of local roadways, streams, creeks, and also keeping an eye on the Ventura River as well. Not only are we expecting a lot of rain, but also some really gusty winds. We're talking sustained winds for portions of the area for the northern half of the region to be in the 40s. So gusts well above this. This high wind watch will be in place from 10 p.m. Saturday until 10 p.m. Sunday. We are expecting gusts between 35 to 45 miles per hour, winds, and gusts up to 65 miles per hour. High surf advisory has been extended just for all our local beaches, and it will be in effect until Monday evening. And lastly, we do have a winter storm watch as well. This is for the northern Ventura County mountains, will be in place into the rest of the week because we are expecting some gusty winds and some snow to accumulate in that area. So here's a look at temperatures for tomorrow. Upper 50s and low 60s expected. As we take a look at inland areas, temps upper 50s and low 60s here as well. And overnight conditions, we're seeing some 30s pop up as well. 54 degrees in Paso, 60 in San Luis Obispo, and most of Ventura County, similar situation here, upper 50s and low 60s. So the 2 days we are most concerned about, Sunday and Monday, potential for some life-threatening flash flooding. So if you don't absolutely have to be on those roads, I would avoid doing so to ensure your safety.